Losing my hair really affected my confidence more than anything. Hair transplant surgery was the only real option that is available today. My procedure lasted about 5 hours. The staff was very friendly. There was literally no pain during the procedure. The results are amazing. I mean, I couldn't be happier with the results from the first procedure that I had. The investment was worth it to me. I recommend Dr. Bolton to anybody that I talk about. I thank Dr. Bolton for giving me back my, my confidence and my hair and my looks and everything.
I'm losing my hair at 28. I just Googled online, and you came up right away. I saw the before and after pictures, and you didn't get no result like this. This place is amazing, beautiful. Everything's one-on-one. You're the only one in the office. It's just an unbelievable experience. No scars, no full head of hair in 2 months. It was crazy. You don't even feel nothing when you're doing a transplant. You feel everything for a tattoo. My results speak for themselves. I wouldn't recommend no other doctor. That's it. To come right here as soon as possible.
Girls as much. I wanted to make a positive change. I wanted to look better than I felt. I wanted to feel better. I'm a lot happier about it. Nobody has noticed. I am the first guy in about 20 years that he actually approves of the result. I went to every website and Dr. Bolton's results were the best that I could find. Just thanks for all of the work. It really makes a big difference.
What you see right now, it's two different person from before and now. I'm really happy with what's going on right now. Only at 4 months. It was something like, I don't know, magical. In a matter of like 2-3 months, my hair was growing. People are amazed when they see me. They're like, where's the old Nestor? I don't think you will find anywhere else to go if you don't come here. He is the man for this job. I just want to say, don't hold back. If you're losing your hair and you really want to be confident with yourself, come here and get yourself, get a procedure done, and you will be happy with what you're going to get.
I'm Dr. Bolton, and after one attempt, my result was dramatic. You get the greatest bang for your buck. The way he attempts it is to get the best result at that time. And I've been very happy, and I can't say a negative word about it. It's a true blessing. Don't believe that I had this result in one sitting. I'd like to thank him. I'm just overwhelmed and over grateful